Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn small letters alphabets A to Z. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Red color, yellow color, green color, blue color, black color, and white color. Kids, now you coloring ABC. Kids, first read A. A for apple. A for airplane. And use red color. The alphabets of A. B. B for ball. B for bat. The alphabets of B. Kids, neither C. C for cat. C for card. The alphabets of C. And use yellow color. Yellow color. Kids, again use yellow color and draw D. D for dog. D for doll. The alphabets of D. Kids, now draw E. E for egg. E for elephant. And use green color. The alphabets of E. F. F for fish. F for fan. The alphabets of F. Kids, again use green color and draw G. G for goat. G for grapes. The alphabets of G. Kids, now draw H. H for hand. H for helicopter. And use blue color. The alphabets of H. I. I for ice. I for ice cream. The alphabets of I. Kids, now J. J for joker. J for jackfruit. The alphabets of J. K. K for kite. K for king. The alphabets of K. Kids, now L for lion. L for lemon. And use black color. The alphabets of L. Kids, again use black color and draw M. M for moon. M for mango. The alphabets of M. Kids, again use black color and draw N. N for nose. N for nest. The alphabets of N. Kids, now draw O. O for orange. O for octopus. The alphabets of O. And use red color. Red color. P. P for parrot. P for penguin. The alphabets of P. Kids, again use red color and draw Q. Q for queen. Q for quill. The alphabets of Q. It's neither R. R for rose, R for rice, and use yellow color. Yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw S. S for sun, S for snake. T. T for teacher, T for tiger. With the alphabets of T. Kids neither U. U for umbrella, U for ankle, and use green color. Green color. V. V for van, V for vanilla. The alphabets of V. Kids again use green color and draw W. W for wallet, W for watch. The alphabets of W. Kids neither X. X for X-ray, X for Xmas tree, and use blue color. Y. Y for yak, Y for yo-yo. The alphabets of Y. Z. Z for zebra, Z for zoo. The alphabets of Z. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.